Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well this week. This is yet another report from the Scholar Sports Desk where we keep you up to date on the latest Scholar sports and athletics. My name is John and here's what will be on the lineup from January 18th to January 31st. Starting with high school athletics, the Scholars swim team will have practice at the Brooklyn Sports Club on Wednesday, January 21st and Friday, January 23rd, both beginning at 5 p.m. They will then compete in a swim meet on Tuesday, January 27th, starting at 4:30 p.m., followed by senior night at the Brooklyn Sports Club on Wednesday, January 28th, beginning at 5 p.m. Cheer practice will be held in the gym at 7 a.m. on Tuesday, January 27th, and Thursday, January 29th. Girls basketball will have an away game on Wednesday, January 28th, starting at 4 p.m., and Saturday, January 31st, starting at 12 p.m. To start the week for Scholars Middle School athletics, cheerleading practice will take place in the theater at 2:50 p.m. on Wednesday, January 21st and Wednesday, January 28th. The boys basketball team will have practice on Thursday, January 22nd, starting at 3 p.m., followed by a home game on January 27th against Waterside and another game against MS 202 on January 29th. That will be all for Scholars Athletics this week. But make sure to stay up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholar sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel, checking out psal.org, and looking at our calendar under the school landing page, so you don't miss out on an opportunity to know when things are happening with Scholar sports throughout the season. That's it for the sports report this week. I'm John, and I'll see you next time.